Guys, this is going to be a unboxing of the high compression head and the reed kit. This is going to be another part of the series for this kit, for this bike. So let's get to it. Also, hit the subscribe and hit the like. And comment below too if you like these videos. Okay, this is gonna be the high compression head. Yeah, the high compression head. Wow, it looks really nice. So we have, get this guy out. Here it is. So we have a gasket. It's not copper, but it's a gasket. And then here's the head. It looks nice. The bottom. So pretty excited about this. I'm gonna install it later today. I am going out with my family today, so I won't be able to until later. So I'm gonna try to get this all in one video for you guys. And then here's the reed kit. And then here's the reed kit, so yeah. Yep. Packaged up pretty good. Also guys, sorry about the noise. Last video I noticed like a crunching noise, like a vibrating noise or something like that. I don't know what that was. Hopefully this video will be a lot better. You comment below if it is. It's like Christmas. There's one. Okay, so here's the intake. Let's open this real quick. Okay, so we got some hardware and some clips. There's that. Gaskets. And then here's the intake. Okay, so yeah, here's the intake. And this is just a rubber boot to go on it. Put that back in. Don't want to lose them. And then let's get this guy unwrapped. so here's the. Okay, so got some hardware again. Gasket, just a gasket, and then here's more. Okay, so here's the other gaskets, the two other ones. Okay, then these. Okay, so there's a smaller one and then a bigger one. I don't know what one to use yet, so I'll let you know shortly. There's that, and then here's the reeds kit, the reeds. Here's the inner housing, and then here's the actual reeds. So, okay, let's just go inside like so. Okay guys, we're gonna stop it here. Put that back in. Okay, so we're gonna stop that here, guys. So we're gonna do the install. We're gonna do the install later today. So stay tuned for that. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.